Good morning vlog. I am at work, but I just ran out to go get a iced matcha and a croissant from Maman. It's honestly such a good matcha. They use the matcha bar, so I highly recommend Maman for like a quick matcha. So pretty for Christmas. Look at all the details. The wood. Just left work and I'm looking for my Uber. I'm headed to IGK where I get my hair done, and they're having a like holiday blowout event, which I figured was perfect for right after work, and it's uptown. So we're gonna go get my hair done. Hi, for Cierra. Zedimers is right next to IGK, which is a really cute pharmacy, and they have ornaments and stuff, so I think I'm gonna go in there after. How pretty that is. Okay, just got my hair done. Of course, completely forgot to vlog in there. Just a lot going on. And of course, Zedimers is closed. So I'm gonna head up to Butterfield and get some groceries for the week. Hair turned out really good. Super shiny and soft. I'm also now debating if I should go right to get my nails done, which is the worst thing to do on the planet Earth. Do I do it? Do I waste my Monday night sitting there for over an hour? I'm so overdue though. I literally can't decide. And oh my God, these gorgeous homes on the Upper East Side. So I guess it'll be a game time decision. I'm definitely starving for dinner, but I have no other day to do it this week. I have a workout after work tomorrow. Maybe Wednesday? We'll see. I typically go to the Madison location, but I'm going to Lexington today because it's closer. But I love my Butterfield. Christmas is out. This hot chocolate is so good. Oh my God. I'm gonna need one of these. So me and Julia are here. It's after work now. We are at the Domino Skate Park in Brooklyn for Sophie Pavitt's skincare event, and we're gonna go ice skating. It's very cold, but we're gonna do it. Wait, Christmas vibes. Oh, all this merch? Oh, I'm obsessed with the merch already. Wow. Oh my God. Skates are on. About to hit the ice. Look at the view. Woo-hoo. This is so scary. but fun. Yep. Alright, I'm starting to gain a little bit more momentum. Wow, we're doing it! We're doing it! Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. My eyes are tearing because it's so cold in New York today. But I'm headed to work. And we have a fun mini golf team outing today. I'll try to bring you guys along if I can. Swingers! Oh my god, how cute! Reception? Oh my god, wait. This is so fun! Here we go. Go, Amanda!
Really great right? Just add a pineapple. You can make a lot of friends. Cierra! That's a cheat code. I didn't know about that. Close. That's great. Me too. I forgot. No!
Good morning, guys. Might look a little different today. It is Thursday morning. I woke up with a level 100 migraine. I get them like 3 times a year since I was a kid. It is currently noon and I'm still in pain. So I woke up at 5 a.m. from the migraine. So I have my little headache cap on. It still hurts a little bit. I've taken so much Advil. But unfortunately I have to work, so I'm trying to like not look at the screen as much. I can't. I have 2 events tonight. One is with Reebok at the corner store, which is an amazing restaurant here in New York City. And then the other one is with ASOS. So I'm gonna be doing that tonight. I'm like slowly I can't even speak. I'm slowly sipping my matcha. I feel like a little caffeine also helps a migraine too, but pray for me. I just finished work and I'm headed to go get a pedicure, a much needed pedicure. And I'm gonna do some needle point while I'm in the chair. Oh, looks like I need Botox. And then I'm going to shop around for some Christmas gifts and then get ready for the event. Okay, so I'm headed to my first event of the night, ASOS. I think this is my guy. Yep, right here. And then to the corner store for Reebok. Hi. With Reebok.
You can't hear it, did you say?
Wine and Captain Crunch Milk Punch. Okay, so I'm home from all my events eating some Meadow Lane turkey chili. And I think I'm gonna watch some Mormon Wives. So it's Friday night. I just left the Hero event. I didn't vlog because I had to film a TikTok, so I was just getting other content, but I'm headed to Not a Normal Market, which is a vintage Christmas market that opens every few months, and I'm going to like the opening night. So I'm walking there now. It's freezing cold. I think it's actually starting to snow, but it's so busy out right now. Am I close? Is it over here? I'm a little lost. This is so overwhelming. There's so many floors. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna be here a while. Yeah. Happy Saturday. I said I wasn't gonna vlog today, but we're going to Mercer Labs, me and Julia, because it's this Museum of Art and Technology. I've always wanted to go. It's right near the Oculus. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go to the West Village and try this new matcha spot I've been wanting to try, and then I have to go to the needlepoint store and get some threads for some Christmas presents I'm making, and then I want to pop into Zara as well. Okay, this room is crazy.
We need to get on a swing.
Yeah, get on a swing. What? Oh my god. It's gorgeous. This one's insane. This room is full of flowers. It's like a flower cave. It's so pretty. Not sure what the monkey has to do with it, but there's fish on the floor. We're in a ball pit.
I need to make sure.
This is pretty sick. Woo! Except when it's time to get up. Smells amazing. So we finished at the museum. It was amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. I would go back. I just tried this new matcha place in the West Village called T-Bowl. Very good. They only use macadamia milk. Didn't know if I would like it, and I do. It's very similar to oat. So now we're walking to this new candy store called Candy King on Bleecker. It's opening day, so we have no idea how this is gonna go. And then I'm gonna head to the needlepoint store and then probably to Zara. Candy King? Candy King does whatever a Candy King does. It's really good. Oh my god. Hi guys, so we are at Bubba, or Booba? Booba, I think it is. Booba Bareka. In the, I guess it's Greenwich Village. Julia's inside waiting for our order. It is so good. It's actually always sold out, but we, I guess, made it on time. I'll show it to you when we get it, but we've had such a fun, cute little day so far. Daniel's on his way up. We're going to dinner with the twins tonight. So I'll try to vlog that. I also need to go home and edit my last week's YouTube video, so, and it's almost nearing 4 o'clock, so I need to hurry up. I also need to still go to H&M and Zara and potentially the Dairy Boy pop-up because my sister wants something for Christmas. A lot to do today. I should have woken up so much earlier, but I did get my threads from the needlepoint store. I also got this really cute pair of pink pajamas from Bedhead PJs. Just a spontaneous little pajama. I'm addicted to pajamas. So yeah, I'm in a really good people watching spot right now. Used to live over here. Guys, we got the spinach artichoke and cheese. It comes with pickles, eggs, sauces, olives. Unreal. Hi guys, it is Sunday. I am in Bridget's beautiful bathroom. And no, Bridget is not here. She's out getting lunch, so I'm here with the boys. They're just watching football, but I wanted to end my vlog here. I didn't really obviously vlog that much today, so I'm just gonna end it here since I vlogged my whole week. And also I've been loving vlogging on my phone because it's just so much easier to pull out and the camera can sometimes not focus. So I think it's like clear enough. Let me know if you notice otherwise, but yeah, I'm like still so excited that we're back vlogging. I'm trying to get a video up every Sunday or Monday. That's like the current schedule. So it's going up today. It's Sunday. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, the whole thing. I post on TikTok almost daily. So yeah, it was so fun vlogging and I'll see you guys in the next one.